Triumph of Bacchus. It's very sweet on the opening, and it does have that boozy. You get the rum, tonka bean, tobacco, patchouli. It smells to me like wealth, power, and a very flashy party. Doesn't it to you? Because it's very boozy.
This is a unique fragrance for a couple of reasons. One is you have boozy and tobacco, which if I look at fragrances that I typically like, I do like that combination of notes. Also, there's a sweetness to this one, which I actually like. It's not as off-putting as some of those like boozy tobacco fragrances that are really about the business in terms of just projecting out. This one certainly does that, but with the peach, green apple, you get these fruitier notes embedded in between. That certainly helps off the opening, and when you're dealing with these spicy openings, that can sometimes put people off. You do have still a hint of this like medicinal effect to it, but it's not to the same extent as we might see with the fragrance that's gonna come next.
Yeah, it's more of a sophisticated boozy too, I think, with, again, because they combine the green apple, the white peach. I think it combines together nicely.
And this is a fragrance house we wanted to try. Like I've heard people talk about this fragrance and I wanted to give it a shot. And I think it's for the winter months and getting attention. It's a nice sweet spot.
Cool packaging too. I mean, I think they really go extravagant here, and this is heavy.